Okay, it's the radio I'm using for my hi-fi setup, Stryker 440 HP, and it has the Goldfinger EPT 3600 series board modifications to the audio chain. My radio room is kind of cluttery, but that's the way I like it. And if you follow this cord here coming from the front of the radio, this is shielded guitar cable from Guitar Center, and it travels down to this foot pedal, and that's how I key my radio. On the back you'll see this female 1/4 inch phono direct injecting audio to the Stryker, and this male 1/4 inch phono travels to the output of this DBX 31 band graphic EQ. And I'm running the top channel for transmit and the bottom channel for receive. From there, the travels down to the Mackie mixer board, which I have adjusted to my preference. So I'm going to try to give you a little Videogate here of what the audio may sound like. I don't know if it's going to give you the true sound on the other end, but close as I can get. My microphone is this Odyx OM2, and I have it set up here on a stationary boom with a gooseneck flex, so pretty much move it where I want. And I'm going to try to give you a little sample here. Hello 1 2. Hello 1 2 audio. Hello 1 2 audio. Try to get some high fidelity audio coming out the Stryker 440. Hello 1 2 audio. Hello 1 2 audio. Audio check. This is with the EQ in. I'm going to show you what it sounds like without the EQ. EQ bypass. There EQ bypass the equalizer, the 31 band DBX, and you can tell kind of got that muffly sound, like you're down the barrel. There's the EQ back in the line, and audio is coming out this Pioneer home theater speaker. And just to set these things, man, the way you like to hear them sound. I also have this 5-band graphic equalizer on the Mackie mixer. And I don't know if you can really hear my audio on this camera, but I'm running both equalizers. That's what it sounds like right there. Audio 1 2, audio 1 2. Watergate of hi-fi audio. Hi-fi audio coming out the Stryker 440 Goldfinger modifications. Hope this sheds some light on. Some guys wanted to hear this, and hope I can shed some light on what it sounds like. Radio station 495. Jay Bird, Lexington, Kentucky, and I just got down. Hello, audio check 1 2. Hello, audio check 1 2. Audio. You can see there I can move my bass. If you want some more bass in your voice, get a little more bass in my voice there. 1 2 audio. 1 2 audio. 1 2 check check check. Hello 1, and this is with the graphics on 9, which is concert hall, or chorus. I'm sorry, chorus. 1 1 1 1 1 test. 1 1 1 1 test. And it does sound pretty good. So I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison of what a stock ham mic sounds like, other than this hi-fi audio. Okay, now I have a stock Cobra microphone hooked up to the Stryker 440. I'm going to show you the difference that this hi-fi audio makes, man. And keep in mind, I still have the mods in this Stryker 440, but this is just with a plain stock ham mic, no rack equipment. One, two audio, 1, 2 audio, 1, 2 stock ham mic, 1, 2 stock ham mic. You can tell it does not sound nowhere near as good as with the rack equipment. 1, 2 audio, check.